Hello everyone, so I'm finally uploading a kayak fishing video. I have been out on the water a ton this season, but I've been working on a few projects behind the scenes, so I haven't had a chance to put a video together recently. But here I am. I headed out on a little adventure last week in pursuit of walleye. Things did not pan out in terms of weather, so it was clear the night before. And then I woke up and there were storms, there was wind, so I had to wait it out, and I couldn't get out until the afternoon. Even when I got to the water, I had to wait out a little storm overhead. So my day was cut significantly short, but I made it count. I had a blast to cut a bunch of fish, and I'm excited to share that with you. Since my trip was short, I didn't actually film an intro while I was out there, so that's why I'm doing it now. And I also wanted to mention a couple things. So you'll see behind me here my kayaks. So this year I'm running the Hobie Mirage Pro Angler 12 360. Last year I ran the 14-foot version of this kayak, and I always get a ton of questions about the kayaks, so I will be doing a walkthrough on this kayak in a future video. The camo colored one in the back there, that is the Hobie Mirage Outback, and I was running that model last year as well. So I already have a walkthrough video of that one if you want to check it out. I'll link to it below. But both kayaks are from my friends at Faux Marine. They are a Hobie kayak dealer in the Toronto area. And if you're looking for a kayak, definitely check them out. They are great people. They'd be happy to help you. I think that's all I wanted to say. Yeah, so here is my latest adventure. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, there's a fish. Got it! I saw that on Livescope. That is cool. Just what I was hoping for today. That was super cool. Little tiny walleye. Little cigar. Ah! Hold on. There we go. First fish of the day. I casted right to the edge of a weed line, and I saw him come out of the weeds and hit my Ned rig, so that is super cool. And yeah, let's get back in there. So I moved off it a little bit. Okay, there it is again. Just need to fix my rig. Oh, that was so cool. Okay. Bit of waves here. Get myself turned again. So I can see the weeds visually on the surface here, but I can really find that edge using my electronics and get right where I want to be. All right, I'm gonna put on a walleye jig. Nice to get one on the Ned, but got some nice, whoa, got some walleye jigs back here. I'm gonna go with a 1/4 ounce neon moon eye jig, and I think I'll pick just like a chartreuse orange pink color. Go to the batch. I'm gonna try one of these Ruddy Grub in Fire Tiger. So that'll look good on there. Here comes one. Oh yeah, I saw that. Oh wow. What do I have here? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's a nice eye. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna grab him here. Okay, that's easier. There we go. Yeah. Just what I came out here for. Nice walleye. Oh, that was super cool. Okay, you're going back. Yes. Okay. Fish number 2. Time for some more. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, what the heck do I have on? Wow. It's large and in charge. Oh my gosh. What is this? Not seen it yet. Oh, it's a pike. Wow, it's a big pike. Wow. That was cool. Let's see if I can get him in. Come on. Wow. Very nice. Just being tame. Nope. Oh my god. All right, get out of the weeds. Just trying to bulldog me in the weeds. See if I can bring him in here. Oh my gosh, that is a thick, thick fish. Wow, beautiful. Okay, let me get the pliers. Wow. Wow, this is such a thick fish. There we go. Okay, ready? Wow. That is a nice thick pike. Okay, send him back here. That was cool. Wow, just hammered it. Little weeds. Lots of waves. Okay, I gotta fix my jig. Looks like I annihilated it. Oh, it's not bad actually. There's one. What do we have here? Looks like a Walter. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Perfect. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. This is fun. I honestly don't sit out here and target walleye too much in my kayak, or at least it's been a while. So this is awesome. There we go. The jig. A little bit of weeds. Okay, this one's got a bit of a chomp mark on it. It's a chunky one. Okay, going back. Okay, 3 walleye, 1 pike. It is a good day. It's kind of frustrated with the weather, to be honest, because I wasn't sure if I'd be able to get out. When I got here, there's some really dark clouds over me and it was really windy, but it's laid right down and it's not so windy. A few clouds, no storms. It's a pretty good evening on the water. I'm really just hugging this weed line. I'm running parallel to it and moving in and out as I need to, or kind of turning and facing it. Like when I can when I lose sight of the weeds, I'll start turning back in until I'm right on them again. And I mean, I can turn my transducer, but I'm just kind of positioning it so that I'm casting straight ahead or kind of at a 45-degree angle. So this is my first time running a Livescope on the kayak, and I'm obviously loving it. I will be getting set up so that I can film this screen, just so you guys can see exactly what I'm seeing. But this is my first run out with it, and honestly, awesome. I'm really pleased. Oh dear. Some nice waves going on. There's one. What do we have? Oh, there. Yeah, another walleye. Gotcha. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Just what I want to see. That's a nice one. Another one! Yes! This is so much fun! So glad this is working out. There we go. Okay, I gotta show you guys what I'm looking at here, because I'm basically sitting right on that weed line, a little bit closer than I'd be fishing it. But that's what it looks like there. And I cast, whoops. I'll cast to the edge of it, or maybe if it's a little more sparse, I'll cast right into it and hop through, and the fish just come charging out of there. Okay, so I think I'm up to 4 walleye. 4 walleye, 1 pike. You know, I thought I was gonna maybe target bass today, but I don't know, this is fun. I want to keep catching walleye. All right, this bait is toast. Gonna put another one on. These are pretty cool. Canadian made. Picked them up at sale. Most of my walleye fishing is done on the Bay of Quinte or Lake Ontario, and just with all the travel restrictions and lockdowns this year, I haven't traveled down there, so it's nice to get out after them. All right, big waves. People are always asking me how I feel in the kayak in terms of stability, and I feel super confident in this thing. I do a lot of standing while fishing, but today I'm really trying to stay on that weed line, so I'm sitting. I don't think I'll be standing today unless I switch it up and bass fish, but I mean, definitely you want to choose your weather and be safe, but these kayaks are so stable. I feel fine out here even with all these boats ripping by. I'm obviously paying attention just in case someone doesn't see me, but I feel nice and stable. Okay, I'm kind of due here for another bite. Come on, fish, what's up? You can move out a little bit. I just keep getting pushed in by these boats. I mean, don't they know I'm trying to fish a weed line? Oh, there's a fish. Nice! Little guy. Not gonna bother with the net. He's cute. Little Walter. Okay, number 5. I think, unless my count is off. I was just thinking about turning back and heading back that way because I didn't have a bite in a while, and then that guy showed up. So I think I'll keep fishing here. The cool thing with the Livescope is I can pinpoint exactly where I want my bait. So I did a cast a little bit too far, reeled it, and then dropped it right on the edge of the weeds. Now I can see it. Oh, I see one. Yep. Got it. I saw that fish. That was cool. Another one. Awesome. That is so cool watching them hit. Beauty. Perfectly posed. Okay, back you go. Okay, let's do that again. My goal with my videos this year is to cover a variety of different species. I mean, I did last year, and I usually do, but usually this time of year I'm fishing for bass a lot, so that's why I decided to switch it up, target walleye today. I'd like to do some muskie this season as well. And then of course I'll do a bunch of bass fishing. And once travel kind of opens up again, I have a few trips planned, fishing some new waters, so it's gonna be a fun season. The way I'm working my jig is just casting onto those edges and just hopping it along bottom. And I'm not, oh, there we go. Yeah, the targeted species. I was just gonna say, I'm just kind of popping it, not super aggressively, but just enough so it's coming like maybe a foot off bottom, maybe a foot or two. And they are smashing it. I know there's some decent walleye in this river, so let's see if I can find a nice one today. Oh, that's a fish. Felt like a weed until I felt it head shaking. Yeah! Hold on, I gotta let a little bit more line out. There we go. Cute little guy. Back you go. Yeah, that was funny. I thought it was a weed and then felt a little tiny head shake. There's one. Oh, that feels good. Oh yeah. Oh dear. Need a little bit more line. There. Yeah. I think that might be the nicest one of the day. Wicked. Just chomped it. I'm gonna show you guys here. Yummy. Keep that guy in the net for a moment. I think I'll measure this one. All right, let's see what we got. 2.5 inches. Nice Walter. Just gonna put this here. There we go. I'm not sure how this camera is positioned, but I'm gonna move a little bit closer so you guys can see it. It's a nice one. Okay, going back. There you go. Right on. Ah, this has been such a fun afternoon. Oh, I think I just saw the fish. Yep, saw the fish swim right down on Livescope. That one was a little bit nicer. There's one. Oh, missed it. Darn, had too much slack. Oh, there's another one. Wow. Yeah. That's a nice one. That was cool. Whoa! Tail walking walleye. Awesome. Oh, jig came right out. Perfect. See if we can get it out of the net. There we go. Awesome. There we go. So I don't know if this fish hit twice or if it was two fish competing. Beautiful. Okay. Back you go. Alrighty, so I'm just making my way back to the boat launch. I did not bring navigation lights, so I can't be out past dark. I had a great day. I should say a great few hours. I did not have any expectations of this panning out. I wasn't out here for very long. I had to dodge a couple storms and finally got out, explored some new water, and honestly, thanks to Livescope, I was able to stay on those weed edges and make every cast count. Catch a few fish, catch a targeted species, a bonus pike. I did not pick up my bass rods at all, which is crazy. I thought I might do a bit of both, but I had a blast. And thanks to you guys for joining me for this adventure. Looking forward to sharing more multi-species fishing adventures. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to chat with you below, and I'll see you in the next video.